Tom Kha Gai is one of the best known soups in Thailand. It's obtained from a chicken broth and coconut milk. It's flavored with aromatics and herbs. It is only at the end of cooking that the coconut cream is introduced for a great finesse result. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. The coconut cream is on the top of coconut milk. With a ladle, take it and keep it aside for the end of the preparation. Add water in the clear part to reach 50 centiliters. Remove the skin and the bone from the chicken thighs. Put the bones in a saucepan. Add the galangal cut into thin slices. Two crushed lemongrass, five torn Kaffir lime leaves, 3 shallots crushed with a pinch of salt, $50 centiliters of coconut milk, and 1 hot chili. Bring to a boil. During this time, cut the flesh of the chicken into chunks. When the broth begins to boil, turn on very low heat and let simmer for 15 minutes. Cut a little bit of hot chili, the mushrooms, the cilantro, the chives, and squeeze a lime. Add in the broth the chicken, the mushrooms, one teaspoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Mix and let simmer with the lid over medium-low heat for 15 minutes. Turn on a very low heat and add the coconut cream. Mix and put the lid on. From now on, the soup mustn't boil. It might curdle. Monitor the soup, and as soon as it starts to simmer, add the cilantro and the chives. Mix and turn off the heat. In each guest bowl, put some hot chilies for those who like, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and the soup. I like to enjoy it with sticky rice. It's delicious. Bon appétit! By carefully monitoring the cooking stages, you will obtain a smooth-looking soup, uniform white like milk. There is a balance between flavors, the sweetness of coconut milk, the scent of herbs and aromatics, and a slight lemony flavor. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.